learners! I am Eclevia and I will be your teacher in Mathematics 7. Before you begin, kindly get your paper and pen, guided learning activity kit, and be ready to take down notes as you watch today's lesson. This will help you to answer your activities and assessments later on. Therefore, please make sure that you are in a comfortable place as you watch today's lesson. You as a learner learned the concept of measures and units when you were in elementary. This time, you will be able to know more about the historical development of measurements and the different standard units in metric system and in English system. This time, we are going to talk about the introduction of measurement. At the end of this guided learning activity kit, you are expected to, number 1, demonstrate knowledge and understanding units of measurement. Number 2, estimate measurements of an object. Number 3, identifies the appropriate units of measures and relevant measuring tools to measure a particular object. And lastly, number 4, appreciate the importance of the standard unit of measurement. Now, let us have this activity. Which is which? What animals are on your screen? Very good. This is elephant and this is giraffe. They are both huge, right? But which do you think is heavier? And which do you think is larger? We will answer that later on. And how about this? Are you familiar with the following videos? Maybe most of you are familiar. Do you know what are the following measurements in the following videos? Save your answer because we will find first what is measurement. Measurement is the process or the results in determining the ratio of physical quantities. It is also the process in finding the measures of a particular object, how many units in size, volume, area, mass or weight, and others. Measurement attributes can be spatial. These are length, area, and volume. Physical, these are mass or weight and temperature. And above, no connection. These are time. Dapat alam natin kung ano yung susukatin natin. Kung bigat ba, haba, laki, init o lamig, o iba pa. Hindi natin kasi pwedeng ipagkumpara ang haba sa laki, ang init sa bigat. Now, we all know the meaning of measurement. Let's go back to our previous example. Let's answer the question a while ago. Which is which? Which is larger and which is heavier? Again, we must first know the attributes of an object for us to compare the measurement. The first question, which one is heavier, is pertaining to the weight. Now let us compare the weight of an elephant and a giraffe. The average weight of an elephant is 6,350 kg and a giraffe is 1,360 kg. kg is a shortened form of kilogram. Now, can you tell me which one is heavier or which of these two animals is heavier? Great! Elephant is heavier than a giraffe. The second question, which one is larger? is pertaining to the length of these two animals. The average length of an elephant is 3 to 5 meters, and a giraffe is 5 to 6 meters. M is a shortened form for meters. Now, can you tell me which one is larger? Very good. Giraffe is larger than elephant. The earliest recorded uniform systems of measurements was originated during the 3rd and 4th millennium BC of the ancient Egyptians. They needed measurement for the purpose of agriculture, construction, and trade. They used body parts to measure the things and time. This is what we called the non-standard unit of measurement. Let's go back to the videos that I have shown you a while ago. What do you call to the first video? Very good. The distance between the tip of a thumb and the tip of a small finger when spread out is called a span. The second is the distance between the point of the elbow and the point of the middle finger is called cubit. And last is the distance of the heel of one foot of the other in one stride is called pace. Can you try to compare your span, cubit, and pace in one of the members in your family? Do you have the same span, cubit, and pace? Now, these are the examples of non-standard units of measurement. Now, let us discuss the standard units of measurement. Under this, we have the English system and metric system. Let us compare these two. First, English system is commonly used in the United States, while the metric system used commonly all around the world. Second, conversion requires memorization, and the metric system conversion is easy by using the power of 10. Last, number 3 includes inch, foot, mile, pound, gallon, etc. And metric system includes meter, gram, liter, and etc. Now, here is the English system of measurement. The table shows some of the units of measure used in this system. So this is the measure of length, measure of volume, and the measure of weight. To measure the length of small objects like pencils, notebooks, chalks, inch is the most appropriate unit of measure. Feet as a unit may be applied when the height of a tree or how tall a building is being measured or estimated, while mile is the most realistic unit for long distances between two locations. Volume is the amount of space that a substance of object occupies. For the volume of smaller objects or quantities, the units gill, pint, or quart can be used, while the volume of larger objects, gallon, barrel, or hogshead are suitable and proper. Next, let's have the metric system of measurement. This system consists of units used to measure various properties like length, weight, temperature, light, electric current, and the amount of substance. And here are the 8 basic units in the metric system. Meter as the basic unit for length can be applied as a unit to determine the height of a tree, the dimension of a room, or even used as a unit for short distances. Kilometer, hectometer, and decameter are utilized as a unit of measure when we are to determine the distance between two towns, cities, or even farther distances between places. And the most commonly used measuring tools for the metric system are ruler, meter stick, and tape measure. For measuring mass or weight, kilogram, gram, and milligram are most popular unit of measurement. Milligram as a unit usually used to weigh very small objects like medicine, grain, or rice, pinch of salt, or the like. For small objects like canned goods, fruits, pillow, packed noodles, biscuits, and sandwiches, gram is the appropriate unit. And those are the standard units of measure in English system and metric system. Now, if you're ready answering, get your guided learning activity kit and start answering your activities and assessments. And that ends our lesson for today. If you have any questions and clarifications about this lesson, just go back to this video. You may click play, pause, and rewind this video. Good day and God bless us all.